you for your outstanding introduction. All the credit goes to my students and postdoc everybody else because let's look at the non-thermal food process technology. I think you all know about the different non-thermal technologies. Nothing new I'm going to say here, but only things we have been working on the cold plasma. And I have some results to show you on that. You all know plasma is the fourth state of matter. It's a non-thermal equilibrium. It's atmospheric pressure control. And we've been using different gas composition also. And then looking at the reactive species over 9 years. Here we use the plasma water, two different conditions, on-site and off-site. On-site means continuous injection of cold plasma into the plasma water, and off-site is you treat the water and then do the microbial inactivations, not continuous cold plasma inactivation. Obviously, on-site gave you the higher inactivation, off-site initially you get a higher log reduction, but after some time, after 2 minutes or so, you don't get a lot of reductions because there is no ozone there and it's not going to inactivate the microorganisms. Some of the experimental procedure you can see here, my student used the 3 different cocktails from salmonella, and then they tried to measure the low relativity conditions. Direct plasma treatment, that's on-site. Off-site treatment is freshly generated plasmatic water, which was immediately mixed with the mercury inoculum for off-site treatment. And these are some of the experimental procedures they did. And then measure the temperature, pH, nitrate. So everything physical characterization, and in terms of the actual results they got, they were able to model both experimental and also model system for both off-site and on-site. And most of the time, the ozone concentration increased and then decreased. So key findings from this is, even though it's off-site plasma water at 2500 Hz frequency, achieve over 3 log reduction of salmonella within 2 minutes. That's important finding, so that you don't use a lot of energy when you are trying to do the cold plasma treatment. So overall conclusion is off-site plasma activated water at 2500 Hz achieves over 3 log reduction within 2 minutes. The on-site plasma activated water is more efficient initially, which ozone level and decreases significantly during storage. Optimizing plasma frequency is essential for maximizing the plasma activated water efficiency in the microbial inactivations. So as you know that PAW demonstrates promise as a non-thermal safe chemical-free method for sanitizing fresh producers, and there are a lot of more work need to be done in this area. The key conclusion is optimizing plasma frequency and using on-site application significantly enhances plasma antimicrobial efficacy, supporting its potential as a non-thermal chemical-free sanitation method for the fresh produce food.